Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miguel Fuentes, and today is Friday, and I have a video topic that I want to discuss, and I'm going to talk about what do I like about being a developer. Now, being a developer is not for the faint of heart. This is really a very hard job to manage because you got to learn all these programming languages, and you gotta learn how to communicate with other team members and managers and stuff like that just to get the stuff done. But what I do like about being a developer is number one, you can keep on learning. Right now I'm quarter way done learning JavaScript, and once I'm done with that, I may create some simple code project with JavaScript, like creating a quiz game, or creating a simple calculator, or playing, or doing like a true, or doing like a educational game, like one of those true or false games, or if you pick this, you know, and also creating creating like a interactive of a website and all. And number two is to create how to say this. Number two is to be more creative of what you're doing. Depending on what project you work on, doesn't matter what programming language that you're learning. You always try to be creative of what you build. For example, I'm creating a profile card of myself, and what I learned is that there would be some times that I become frustrated and I can't solve that problem, but you can do research. You can find other ways to be more flexible on the design and stuff like that, and using different what's called CSS grid or CSS flex boxes to create that profile card. And you learn as you build projects. Sometimes it will be hard, depending on what project you do, but it's well worth the experience that you are developing as a developer. And last point I want to make is that what I liked about being a developer is problem solving. If you don't know how to solve a problem, possibly being a developer is not for you. If you suck at problem solving, this job ain't for you, because majority of developers have to debug code, have to change coding. They have to do code reviews before adding into that data structure and all that, or or debug. And most of the time, either you're gonna be doing a lot of research on how to do, like, for example, how to put an image for HTML, or how to do the if and else console for JavaScript to do that project. You look at documents on how other developers solve that problem. And there's a lot of resources, free resources rather. There's Overstack, Overstack. There's GitHub. There's other types of documentation that you can look up on Google. And in a big part of your research is using Google, because Google will be your best friend if you're going to be a developer, because you can type in how to insert image on a web page, and they will give you the solution or a syntax for HTML. But if you want to if you want to customize it, you use CSS, and boom, you're done. There is no copyright in coding. Everything we use is open source. We can use whatever library that is available, and we use it, and we create brand new website with it. So far, right now I'm working on a project right now, creating a profile card. I mean, at first it didn't turn out well, but when I thought about it, like, maybe there's a different way to do this. And so, right now, after this video, I'm gonna do some research and figure out what's the problem that I'm having and fix it, because that's a part of our job as developers, that we love creating and fixing things, and just getting stuff done. That's why being a front-end developer, or any other developers, pay a lot of money, because it's not easy to become a developer. It takes years, probably months, to, not really master coding, but to understand the programming language and whatever knowledge that you have in learning. So that's all I got for today, folks. I know I have pretty bad lighting in my room. Please forgive me, but at the same time, God is good. So thank you guys for watching. May the Lord bless you. See you guys again next time.